Hey Ratchet. Yes, Wheeljack. Does it feel like it's been a minute since we last fought the Decepticons? Yeah, it has been quite some time, but honestly, I think the Decepticons are kind of just as bored as we are. Yeah. Well, at least I guess I won't have to use my invention anymore. What, you talking about that weapon that you planned on making? Yeah. Oh well. I guess I'll just tear it on down then. Well, I mean, you probably should have torn down your other inventions that didn't work. Hey, watch it. My other inventions are masterpieces. Emphasis on the master. But as a matter of fact, they are pieces. Pieces of garbage. Hey, if you say one more word, and I'll have you eviscerated. Oh, sure you would. You're just like how it's coming from the same guy who forgot to feed Grimlock this morning. Why, you... Wait. You know what? You better watch your back.